So why shop on jet.com? And more like, why to do dropshipping on Jet? Here's why. First of all, free shipping over 35 bucks of orders. This is great because any product over 35 is a fair game for me to dropship. Next reason is you get free returns for up to 30 days within the delivery for almost anything in the shop. This is great as well. Let's say somebody buys something, I drop ship to them and they don't like it, they want to return it back. Well, this takes away the hassle of maybe there are some companies that say no returns and so on. Well, this is good for me and it is good for them. Next step, why do I like jet.com? Deals and promos. They get some of the best deals out there because this is now part of Walmart, and Walmart like to make you and save you a lot of cash. Therefore, jet.com is the next best thing. In fact, Jet is going to become maybe the next Amazon. So getting started right now on Jet is one of the best ways for you to make money. Lastly, why should you do business with jet.com? Well, jet.com has something very special going on for it. If you refer a friend, you own Jet Cash. And the more friends you refer to Jet, the more money you get in your pocket. In fact, I already made 20 bucks from Jet. And this is great. If I get 6 more referrals, I'm going to get 12 bucks per referral. Even more, if I get 11 referrals, I get 15 per referral. And the most amount of money that I can make is 500 bucks all in total that I can use. And all this money I'm going to invest right back in Jet itself, and I'm going to dropship those items directly to my clients. So potentially all this money I'll be making is going to be invested right back into my dropshipping business. So go ahead and check out jet.com. It is one of the best and fastest ways to make money on the internet right now.